Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your VLC video lagging or playing copy on your phone. Don't worry, here are simple fixes to get smooth playback in just few steps. Fix 1. Close apps and restart VLC. First, swipe up and hold to app switcher. Second, swipe up on VLC to close it. Open VLC again and try playing the video. Fix 2. Restart your phone. First, hold power plus volume up, slide to power off. Now, turn it back on and check the video. Fix 3. Disable hardware decoding. VLC may struggle with current video format. Open VLC, tap the menu top right, go to settings, find the hardware decoding. Now turn it off, then play the video again and check if it's smoother. Fix 4. Lower video resolution or re-import file. If the file is too heavy, 4K or HEVC, your device may lag. First, try a lower resolution version of the same video. Second, or delete the file from VLC and re-import it by files, AirDrop or Wi-Fi transfer. Fix 5. Update or reinstall VLC. First, open App Store. Second, search for VLC. Tap Update. Still lagging, delete VLC and reinstall it. Then add your videos again and test. And that's it. That's how you fix VLC lagging or copying videos on your phone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.